Alrighty guys, welcome back to another trading video, and today I'm going to be going over the trade I took. I did have a big loss because I'm on an eval. I'm trying to size up, trying to pass the eval quick. And today is November 2nd, November 18th, Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and today price moved good. I thought so. I got unlucky. Sized up because I wanted to pass this eval, and there's of course something I could always learn from trading, but this was literally got stopped out to the tick, so it was very unlucky, but still have the account, still gonna try to pass it. So let's hop right into the trading recap. So this was the trade I took. Let me clear out most of everything for y'all. Alrighty, so zooming in. Oh wait, let me go on replay mode. Where's market open? Alrighty. So right off rip, market open was a bit choppy. I didn't know where we want to go. We had these relative equal highs below us. We have these relative equal lows below us. We also have some low resistance liquidity down here. We also just took this. I wanted to see this as maybe a potential market maker buy model because we swept this. Then we had a low swept, potentially a market maker buy model, and retesting some bigger time frame for value gap, maybe going the 4 hour. Let's see. This is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see this 4 hour get respected, then have a, where is it? Let's see if I can find it. Then have a, where is it? This is the curve. A market maker buy. This, I wanted to see buy side of the curve enter after we hit this for value gap. Obviously it didn't happen. Price didn't go there. I was honestly being an observer because I was trying to simply react to what the market was giving. All right, so what I was looking at, I was like, okay, we still could want to see lower because we've just been very bearish throughout the week. With this buy side above us, I was potentially wanting to see maybe there was a area in which I could enter on any buy or sell model. I was definitely leaning to the side of bullish because after we took some external sell side, I potentially want to see the market go back up because we've been selling off quite a bit lately, but we didn't. We have this sell side, zooming in. So market open, I was wanting to see an AMD model set up. We have accumulation right here. What time is this? 4 minutes till market open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I wanted to see this as manipulation. I was like, all right, maybe we take out this low, but we took out all this low resistance liquidity. So, okay, I'm gonna see what market does here. I didn't enter. Instantly shot up. I was like, this could be the move to buy. Zoom into the 15 second. We'd have our inverse in the 15 second. Have 15 second change in the state. Obviously, going by. That was just manipulation. That was our manipulation right there. We took out this internal high. Then we would start to see a sell off. This was honestly a fine trade to take. Just a quick scalp. But taking that out the picture, going back to the 1 minute, we created this first presented for value gap. Let's see, I don't have that marked. Created our first presented. Now I was just waiting. I was trying to be patient, seeing what market wants to do. We enter back to the first presented. This is where I should have honestly entered the trade. I'm very confident in entering on the first presented because that is the most promising for value gap you can have. We instantly shot down, took out this low. After taking out this low, we see a retest back into this. Zooming into the 15 second. I was wanting to see maybe a potential soup at this high. We didn't. We instantly sold off. I just missed my entry. It's fine. So I entered. I wanted to see a retest back to the soup. Once we had this candle, I was very confident that we could potentially soup and see this liquidity get swept and potentially the sell side. So I entered off of this change in the state candle right here. Put my stop at this body, literally to the tick. I get stopped out. Put my stop to this body candle because we respected this 15-minute. I thought it was strong. I want to see. The only thing where I could learn from this trade is this. I should have put my stop. I should have put my stop to contrary encroachment of this big wick, of this 1 minute wick, because I wouldn't have got stopped out. It was completely my fault. I got stopped out. Really unlucky as well. We tap into that body candle instantly. My target was these sell side levels. Watching price literally dump. Didn't enter a trade. Once I got stopped out, I was like, okay, I lost, I think it was around 1.2. 1.2. I was instantly done. Didn't want to go any further on this funded account. Yeah. So that was the trade recap. Very unlucky. Definitely stuff I could learn from this trade. But yeah, I mean, there was obviously a draw, and this should happen to me being more patient. There's definitely areas I could have entered off of. Maybe this propulsion block coming off of this. Once we tap that, we respect 50% of that contrary encroachment of the propulsion block. I could have entered, then price would have rallied lower. Definitely so many things, and that's why journaling is a huge key, because I wouldn't have noticed these things if I would have been like, dang, I hopped off. Like, dang, hopped off, and just mad for the rest of the day because my trade didn't work out. No, journaling is a big thing. Makes you realize what you didn't see, what you should have saw, and potentially why you won, why you lost. So yeah. Alrighty guys, this is the end of the trading recap. And of course today was a very tough day for me because I got stopped out to the tick. But now there's stuff I realized I can implement into my trading that wouldn't make me get stopped out. So of course there was emotion involved, but I just had to persevere through and know that market opens tomorrow. There's no reason to force anything else because there's always another day. But anyways, that's all. Peace out, guys.